Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to send a one-time email campaign in Klaviyo. So first thing, you click on campaigns, then click on create campaign and choose email. Click on continue, and from here you're going to choose where do you want to send your email. Click on the email list, click on next, and from here just add a subject line, then click on next. Alright, now you will see the flow of your email campaign. So after this, after everything is all good to you, then click on schedule or send, and you can choose to send now or just schedule it later. After that, just click on schedule campaign or send now. That's it. Thanks for watching.